Welcome to 4070 Estate Drive in Holland, Michigan. This is only 2 miles away from Riley Street Beach. And this 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is sure to be a pleaser. Come on, let's go check it out. All right, when you come in, just to the right of the door here, you got this really big family room that we have, living room / dining room. They kind of use it as a multi-purpose here, but it's really nice. Yeah, you can change the carpet in it, but this house is pretty much move-in ready. And this takes you right into the kitchen area here, where you can see that we have a brand new refrigerator here. Some outdated appliances, yes, but with the price, that's pretty much what we're to expect. We got nice laundry dryer here, and then a side bathroom, just a little half bath coming from the garage. Now coming back into the kitchen here, you can see the large backyard they have here. It's very heavily wooded in the back, so you got a lot of privacy with this space. Yeah, it's a pretty cool yard. And then you swing around over here, back through here, you can see they have this large family room. Come over here to your right, you can check out the large family room that they have. All right, now let's check out the upstairs. Come on. All right, when we get to the top of the steps here, we got 2 rooms off to our right-hand side. You check out this awesome green carpet they have in here. And then over here, they got a little slightly bigger room with some beautiful baby blue all over the place. I kind of like that. And got really nice views of the front yard and side yard. This will be really nice in the summer. And as you head out of those 2 bedrooms, you're going to see on the right here, you have this updated bathroom for the upstairs. It's pretty nice, actually. They did a really good job at the updates. As we exit the bathroom, come down the hall to the right, we have another beautiful green carpet room. This room's a little bit smaller than the other ones, has a view out of the backyard. All right, and then coming out of that bedroom, you'll find the primary suite here. It's got this beautiful lion's mane yellow carpet. Pretty large room. And then it also has its own little half bath in the corner tucked away there. Follow me, where I'm going to take you to the basement. In the basement here, you'll find all your utilities. You got your water heater over here. You got your main furnace. Everything is pretty newly updated too. All right, so there you have it. 4070 Estate Drive, Holland, Michigan. Only 2 miles from the beach here. 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, $342,000 list price. It comes with a whole home generator. It comes with a 1-year home guard warranty. I can't see a reason why this is gonna stick around for very long. If you wanna come check this house out, give me a call. 616-298-6222. Right there's the number. You can put a workout room down here. There's all kinds of room for activities. Under the stairs, if you just need to get like your hip thrust in. Oh yeah, get that burn, baby. And then there, I just did my workout under the stairs, no problem. Do a workout in the corner of my basement, all kinds of room.